Hello again. So in the last episode, rounded out the UI for the track manager, and now I want to so we can create tracks. But what I want to do now is I want to be able to add clips to the tracks and be able to have those then display. So cool. This is updating as we're adding the tracks. Which is pretty rad, and that's obviously updating as we're adding tracks as well. So let's get some clips importing. So let me go to my track manager view. So we got the tracks, but now how am I going to do it? I probably want those tracks to display vertically like I have in the kind of sequencer main view. So let me go manage tracks. So is equal to a tracks container inside which I will have the tracks and then have the button let me just leave that like that, and then in here go track container. I'm not sure at the moment. I'm kind of winging this as I go, and probably not the best thing. Nah, I think I will actually document the whole process, as tedious as it is. And anyway, there are thoughts of how this is all going to work. But right now, I just want to document everything. So what have we got? We got the track container, and that needs to be able. I want the columns, which I'm going to do using flex, and that should give me my rows. And I'm going to align items. I'm going to make them stretch. I also want the container to fill up full available space. Let's see how that works. Did I not add the tracks container? Tracks container. There we go. So there are our tracks. They're looking a bit. Why? X1. Oh, should I? Modal. So here's my body. Yeah. Tracks container is the right width. But now box sizing border box. Nope. Maybe the input. Oops. If I set that to 100%, there we go. Right. So the input needs to have a width of 100%, but I'm going to put in a min width. So I'm going to say min width of how many characters in EM. So start 25. Whoa. Let's do half of that. Even smaller than that. So 7 REM. Also, let me bump the font size here so that I've got standard font sizes. Why can I not set? Okay. Let me just restart. Bass, drums, add a track, add a track, add a track, add a track. Okay, so maybe 7's a bit narrow. Let's do 10. I don't know, is that maybe a bit? And then I want to also set the box sizing on this. Okay, and then I want to actually use that really cool color that I got earlier. Where did I put that? It would have been in the buttons. So let me just put that as, oops, input outline. And then over here, input outline. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? I've done that wrong. Okay, so should that be 1 pixel solid? Like, here we go. Right, and I only want that to be like that when it is focused. Is it active? Okay. That looks like a, anyway, whatever. And so I can add tracks. And now what I want to do is I want to say overflow X auto. So that's cool. Modal layout. Yeah, modal layout. Body. Display flex. And then the header will not flex, will not expand or contract, but the body will. And I need to set my direction to column. Okay, cool. So radical. Now what I want to do is just fix up and just wrap that. If I give this a class, I wonder if it's gonna apply it to, like if it's going to carry through modal body. Nope. Nope, it is not. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give myself some more space and undo all of that and then create a body. I suppose I could just actually just manage tracks and then go dot idle body display flex. I didn't even start my timer. I need to remind myself to do that. Okay, display flex direction column, and then this can flex and div class is equal to tracks toolbar. Okay. So we'll call this why did that not work? So I got my body, got my tracks container, got a track, and in there I've got a track. Suppose it helps if I actually give it a proper. Ooh, no, I want that to be 1 pixel solid. There we go. Now I can add tracks to my heart's content. I can scroll between them. And then in each track, I want to be able to. So a track needs to also use flex box, and it's going to be as a column. So flex direction will be column. Track name. Oop. Because I don't need that to stretch. Why is it stretching? div class track controls or track tools, because it's not going to be a bar, it's just going to be a group of tools. And then I can take that out and then go track tools and go padding 0.5 rem. Can actually take that out. Default border, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create tables. I don't already have one. Oh, okay, so flex none. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a clip container, which should put the name at the top of the track and then the tools at the bottom. So in here, I'm going to go div class is equal to track clips. And it's not flex 9, it's flex 0. Right, so that should just be like that. Okay. And then I want to, in my layout, I'm gonna actually just do a, oh, no. Customize scroll bars. Okay, so here, just grab all of you. See how that looks. That hasn't made. Because it's not gonna work. Oh, come on. Rock and roller. Okay, so I want that to be what? What do I want that to be? do back to 10. Oops. Three, 3, 3 is not going to work though. So let me go 5, 5, 5. Now where's that cool color that I found again? Is in controls. Add that to variables. Make you pink. And then you can also be pink. Cool. So now what I want to do is take you out. Okay, great. So then I can go here. Not MNO. Margin bottom 0.5 rem. And I know that I started with base view. Okay, so now how was I getting the clips for a track? So that should actually be in here. Under getters. State. Oh, okay, that's cool. Right, if I want to do it, I can do it like this. Map getters. And track clips. Oh, there shouldn't be clips there. Oh, wait, yeah. The IDs are different because it's sitting here and then it's resetting it there, so it's not matching those clips to the thing. So base short ID dot generate and drums short id.generate. See, I didn't do BIM. Ugh, I'm getting all. I need to come back and BIMify everything. Where am I? Project. I hope that makes sense when I read it again. And I've gotten distracted now. So state clips. So that should be matching. So why is that not matching? Dingus. Okay, so now in my track manager, I'm actually going to stop there because that's half an hour. And I actually need to get up walk around for a little bit. So thank you very much for watching, and I will be back shortly with some more. Thank you.